The Microsoft Store for Windows was first introduced more than 13 years ago alongside the launch of the controversial Windows 8, which featured a full-screen start menu, the new Settings app, and several major design changes. Since then, the Microsoft Store has evolved into a far more mature and flexible platform that supports a wide range of apps and services and offers several useful features. However, despite these improvements, some important elements are still missing. As someone who dislikes downloading standalone exe files and prefers installing apps from one centralized and convenient location, here are 5 improvements I believe Microsoft should make to the Microsoft Store on Windows 10 and Windows 11. 1. Shopping cart. This is a basic and long overdue feature. Microsoft should allow users to purchase multiple apps or games in a single transaction instead of forcing them to complete the checkout process for each item individually. This would be especially useful during sales or for Game Pass subscribers who may want to purchase several games before canceling their subscription. Platforms like Steam already offer this functionality, and there is no valid reason for the Microsoft Store not to have it. While some may argue that few people actually buy content from the Microsoft Store, there are many high-quality apps available, and Game Pass subscribers often receive exclusive discounts on games. Adding a shopping cart could encourage more users to shop in the store, provided Microsoft focuses on meaningful improvements rather than less impactful additions like the AI Hub or wallpaper collections. 2. Wishlists. The Microsoft Store includes many premium apps and expensive games, and a wishlist feature would make it easier to track items for future purchases or monitor price drops. This is a standard feature in almost every digital storefront, and its absence in the Microsoft Store is difficult to justify. 3. Proper notifications and update badges. One feature I appreciated on Windows Phone was the live tile for the Microsoft Store, which showed how many apps had pending updates. It was a simple but effective way to stay informed. In Windows 11, the store icon provides no such badges, just a static icon. While automatic updates can no longer be disabled, better notifications would still be extremely useful. Currently, the store only sends notifications when an app or game finishes installing, which is unnecessary for small updates. Instead, Microsoft should notify users when multiple apps have been updated, when wishlist items go on sale, or when major discounts are available. At present, the only indication of pending updates is a small dot visible inside the Microsoft Store app itself, which is easy to miss. 4. Improved in-app purchase transparency. In-app purchases are now common in both apps and games. While the Microsoft Store does label apps that include in-app purchases, it does not provide any details about what those purchases actually are. Even a basic breakdown or preview would help users make more informed decisions before installing or buying an app. 5. Better subscription management. Managing subscriptions should be possible directly from the Microsoft Store. Currently, users are redirected to the account.microsoft.com website, and there is no clear or centralized link within the store itself. This can be confusing, especially for less experienced users. Although the Windows Settings app does show an overview of first-party subscriptions such as Game Pass and Microsoft 365, it still redirects users to a browser and does not display third-party subscriptions. What is needed is a single, well-designed interface within the Microsoft Store where users can view available plans, manage subscriptions, cancel services, or resubscribe all in one place. Let me know what you think. Which of these features do you want to see added to the Microsoft Store, and are there any others Microsoft should prioritize? If you found this video helpful, consider liking the video, sharing your thoughts in the comments, and subscribing for more Windows and tech-related updates.